2:38 p.m. March 4th, 2023. Fire alarm number 4. They won't let my husband sleep. You know, neither of us got a good night's sleep last night, and to try to make up the hours, my husband was having a nap, and they're not gonna they don't want to let him sleep. This is very serious. Very serious. Yes, they're invading our privacy, and they know our routine. They're on our phones, and it's just ridiculous. The police won't do anything. The CSU won't do anything, and the fire department is involved. And of course, the management supports these people.